I've teamed up with my friends at the flavor company Tony Chachere's to bring you a few tasty dishes with a kiss of Louisiana. Today I'm throwing a small birthday party for my mom, and she wants a Lowcountry Shrimp Boil. My southern roots run deep, and I have a lot of family in the Lowcountry region of South Carolina, which is the seafood-rich area north and south of Charleston. Like a Louisiana crawfish boil, the region has its own boil that involves shrimp. This very communal meal is sometimes called Frogmore stew because it got its start in Frogmore, which is a part of Beaufort County, South Carolina. A traditional Lowcountry shrimp boil only has 4 ingredients in it: corn on the cob, kielbasa, potatoes, and fresh local shrimp. You also need a good seasoning, obviously, and we're going to use Tony Chachere's Supreme Crab Boil seasoning. Okay, let's get to work. With the right prep and equipment, this is actually pretty easy to pull off. Get yourself a pot, a big one like this, preferably one with a strainer insert, and the thing to get it out of there when it's way hot. Also get yourself a bayou burner so you can cook this outside. I have a 60,000 BTU burner that is designed specifically for doing this outside. There's only 4 ingredients in here, so make sure they're super fresh and awesome. This is actual shrimp from South Carolina that was sent up by my relatives to make it authentic. Timing is everything. I can tell you to throw it all in the pot and cook it at the same time, but then your dinner will be totally screwed up. Pay attention to the timing and this will be a success, trust me. For 1 entire container of Tony Chachere's Supreme Crab Boil, you want to use 5 gallons of water. I'm going to use half of this. I'm going to use 2.5 gallons of water. And 16 ounces of Tony Chachere's Supreme Crab Boil. Get that to a nice rolling boil and start adding your ingredients. First, the potatoes. Oops. They cook for 10 minutes. Next, add the kielbasa. Next, add the corn. That cooks for 5 more minutes. And finally, add the shrimp. And cook for an additional 3 minutes, no more. Here's the timing. Before dumping the pot, prep your table with paper, cocktail sauce, made of course with Tony Chachere's original seasoning, and soft wads of butter for dipping the corn and potatoes into. After dumping, sprinkle some Tony Chachere's seasoning for an extra boost. I'm using Tony's bold Creole seasoning with an extra kick. Tasty, and everyone's happy, especially Mama. You know what they say, if Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy.
You think that's true?
Look for the recipe on TonyChachere.com and on my website, GeorgeMotz.com.